Meiosis is the replication of gametes, and it begins with interphase, where the cell prepares for division by duplicating its DNA. In prophase 1, homologous chromosomes pair up and exchange segments in crossing over. In metaphase 1, paired homologous chromosomes line up across the center of the cell, and the nucleus disappears. Spindle fibers connect them by the centrioles. In anaphase 1, homologous chromosomes move to opposite poles as spindle fibers pull them apart. In telophase 1 and cytokinesis, the cell divides into two new cells, each with half the number of chromosomes. In prophase 2, two cells prepare for another division. Metaphase 2 leads to the chromosomes lining up across the center of each cell. Anaphase 2 leads to sister chromatids separating on opposite ends of the cells. Finally, in telophase 2 and cytokinesis, 4 haploid cells are produced, each with a single set of chromosomes. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. We are early, hit our shot like Curry, bitch, I wanna shoot.